Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to add a flip coin feature in Hostinger website builder. This is a demonstration of the flipping coin feature, and as you can see, it's head. How to add this to your website? First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites and select websites list. Now click on this edit website button next to your website. If you're like me, you have multiple different websites list in this list, and you're looking for an easy way to distinguish between WordPress websites and other websites built using Hostinger website builder. Just look at these little icons next to each website. This is a WordPress website icon, and this is the Hostinger builder websites icon. Now click on edit website. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and now I will add my flipping coin feature here in this blank space. For that, click on add element from this left sidebar and scroll down to the bottom and select this element called Embed Code. Drag and drop it like that. Click on enter code, delete this existing code, and copy this code that I will share with you in this video description. If I forgot to do so, just let me know in the comments below. Click on pass and hit embed code. This is my flipping coin feature in my website. Now let's update my website to save these changes. View site. Let's scroll down, and this is the flip coin feature. By the way, you can create a dedicated page for this flip coin feature. Let's say that people online or people are looking in Google for online flip coin feature. Just give it a big title, a little bit of description, or instead of talking, let's do it. I will create a dedicated page for this. Let's create an empty page, add a blank section. First, start with the title. What to call this page? I will search using a keyword research tool. This is the keyword research tool. It's called Uber Suggest. First, let's coin flip. Let's call it online. It's RTL coin flip online, coin flip customer service, coin flipping tricks, coin flip 50/50. This is a good keyword. Let's give it to GPT. Online game, cheat online, online game, flip coin. Coin flip only heads. What are the actual odds? Coin flip. Can Google flip coins? Online coin flip multiplayer. Pokemon 3-sided. Coin toss online betting. Random and random online free. Now I will write me the copy for my flip coin dedicated page in my website. These are the keywords I'm targeting. This is a good title. I will use it here. How to play, why choose our random keyword online, coin flip online, perfect for any situation. Get started. Now let's copy. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about hosting a website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with hosting a website builder, how to set up and design your website inside hosting a website builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger website builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Let's add text element here. Before that, let's make it wider. Delete, copy or paste. Now let's add the embed code again. This is the code and hit embed. Now let's save these changes and view site live. This is, by the way, this page URL should also use this big title for SEO purposes. Same thing for the page title. Page title and URL should contain your targeted keywords, or at least this part. Now let's flip a coin. It's a tails. I will say that it will be tails again. It's heads. That's best. And this is the description to help this page be discoverable in Google search results. Video, let's see how to play a little bit with this coin feature code. If you want to edit these heads and tails, the text inside the coin, you can do it from here. Let's add number 2. As you can see, now it says heads 2. Let's return to just head. You can also edit the button text from here. As you can see, flip coin. You can also edit the flipping text, this text while flipping from here. You can also edit the text font family. For example, let's use Tahoma. This is now Tahoma. Let's return to Arial, and for the height, you can edit the height above the coin flipper from here. I will return to the original, and for the coin, you can edit the coin width. That's not what I was expecting. For the side heads gold, I think you can edit the heads color, just the head side color. Heads background gold, flip button background color, I will use black. Background flipping button, hover, results, you can margin font size, you can edit the font size of the result. Let's go with 80. Flipping, it says this is better. These are the CSS parts in order to edit the design of this coin feature. I will return to the original result size, text size. I think that's all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.